Today we want to look at the new FEC120. This is the Fast Eddies model by Cookshack. It's a 100-pound unit. It's been designed to go into restaurants. Let's look at the features. To begin with, the unit now has a convection fan in the top of it, so the heat is being circulated from the furnace area in the back into the cooking chamber by a convection fan. We also have our vents down at the bottom, so we're bringing the heat into the top of the unit and bringing it down then to the bottom. This gives us very steady temperature throughout the unit. We also have our traditional drip hole in the bottom and our vents in the back of the top, which we'll look at in a moment. Now let's look at the features from the inside of the unit. We'll begin with the convection fan. This fan pulls air upwards through the unit and distributes it back down the sides of the cabinet and into the bottom. We have our furnace in the back where our heat is coming out, and the heat and smoke distributes into the unit and is forced then downwards into the unit. Here you can see the bottom of the air plenum where the heat and smoke is forced down into the bottom of the unit. And here is our exhaust, so we're venting the unit from the bottom. This gives us very accurate temperature throughout the entire oven. As we look at the side of the unit, you can see our vents. They come out the top of the unit. We have one on each side of the unit. And this is our furnace door, which we'll open to look at the furnace area. On the side of the unit, we have our burner area. We simply open the door, and you can see our fire pot, our slide for our pellets to come down into the fire pot. This is also your area where you clean out ash, and you simply do that by opening the door and reaching inside to swipe the ash out of the unit. This is the hopper area. You can open the lid and insert your pellets. And then we have the Cookshack IQ controller, which will allow you to set cooking temperature, holding temperatures, and cook time. Also allows you to cook with a probe mode, and we simply push start to get the unit running. So these are the basic features of the new Cookshack FEC120 Fast Eddies Smoker. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-423-0698 or see us on the web at cookshack.com.